dog. It didn't deserve this.
Steve
It
Goddard
didn't deserve
says,
it.
your Tesla record's from the rear too, you mongoloid.
Rishoff Flex says,
Yeah, so we
Watch another
literally
crash
saw
happen.
this car almost hitting us, and then we drove way past them,
Galactica
and we
says,
saw them crash. So we
"Save the
turned
dog,
around and
LordHito."
came back. Yeah.
True Blue 24 says, poor Poochie shit.
Oh, no fucking way. No fucking way that happened. Dude, is he alright? Holy. No way that just happened. Oh no, that's all bad. Dude, that's